Today we're going to talk about how to correctly format your citations that you have gotten from any of the database articles. In the Google document in which you have copied your database article citations, you will notice they are not in the correct format. The easiest and simplest way to fix all of your citations from databases is to go to the end of the first line and hit enter. That will take your cursor to the second line and you will hit the tab button one time. As you can see, that doesn't really look like it's indented enough, so let's try hitting it 2 times. You will then have to go to the end of that line and hit enter again. Go to the end of the third line and hit enter again. At that point, it is correctly formatted. For the second citation, we will do the exact same process. Go to the end of the first line and click enter or the return button. Your cursor is now right here at the beginning of the second line, and you will hit the tab button. One time doesn't seem to be enough, so we'll hit it a second time. We'll go to the end of that second line and hit enter and return. Go to the end of the third line, hit return. Go to the end of the fourth line, right there, hit return. Go to the end of the fifth line and hit return. Go to the end of the sixth line and hit return. You will notice right here that there's an extra space right there. You definitely want to pay attention to that. So in this case, we're going to delete that space so that everything is lined up correctly. The last rule to remember is that in a Works Cited page, everything needs to be in alphabetical order. Because this begins with a C and this is a D, it is not correct. So what we're going to do is just highlight that first citation. We're going to cut it. We're going to go to the end of that first citation and hit enter, then hit the back button. And then hit paste. So now, not only are our citations formatted correctly, we have them in the correct order.